boys came in the pack. Camel toe fat, you can see it from the back.
Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss a single video. Thank you so much, Unice, here for sending over this wig for me to review. Hair clips, a scarf or a headband, lashes, wig cap, the color is really pretty. You get 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back with adjustable straps. It is a T-part wig. It's really soft. You do get normal shedding. The color is ombre TL412, 150% density, 16 inches. The price is $128. Use Love Unice to get some money off your order. Part the hairline. Start to pluck. Make sure you take your time and do this because you don't want to over pluck. It's a little bit of hair in the front because it's a T-part wig. I'm about to pluck the hairline. Make sure you take extra time because you don't want to over pluck this. I'm getting ready to pluck the part. Go down and pluck. Make sure you take your time and do this. This wig is not big head friendly. color though. Pin the hair back. Cut the sides off first. Cut down the middle. Use your eyebrow razor to cut the lace.
I just wanna take the stress away from you. Making sure that I'm doing my part. Boy, is there something you want to do? If you want it, say the word, try it. And now whatever I'm not fulfilling, another woman is willing. I'm gonna fulfill you my right. Tell me on my shoulder, I'll roll over. Baby, I heard you. I'm here to serve. All you need, even if it's not yours.
She's bound wax stick to lay the flyaways down.
Now reload it.
Use your hot comb and flatten the top of the wig.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my flow, flow, flow. Hold me
fuck who talk behind my back? The bitch knew better than to let me hear.
Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape.